Alright, this is going to be going over Tuesday AM session and the trades that occurred. This is how my charting looked Monday night on the daily. We can see here on the 4 hour. We can see here that YM is sitting inside of this 4 hour SIBI, and ES and NQ both have created an order block at the daily open, expanded, and now we have this given range here. With previous day EQ obviously resting below. So that was what I was looking at going into Tuesday. So anyways, let's drop down to the 15-minute so we can get a better look at how the morning began to play out. This range I've been talking about, it felt a little too extended and likely to see a rebalance. So I wasn't sure if we were going to get an open high to then sell off or an open low to then run out previous day high. But those were my two ideas going into the morning. What time is this at? We gotta go way ahead here. Into Wednesday. Speed this up. I'm sorry. Not Wednesday, Tuesday. I apologize. What time is this at? Here we go. Okay. So this is where we're at coming into market open. Let's just get rid of ES for a second. Okay, and I want this is important. Okay, so we expand, and then we're in consolidation here, right below previous day high. Okay, right. You can see YM has rebalanced previous day EQ, right? And so, anyways, we're consolidating, and so we'll watch here to see what occurs. We'll drop down to the 1 minute, right? Okay, so we have this range, just stop short, rebalance, right? Change in state of delivery, OB rebalance here, back in, right? This, boom, off the opening price, order block, same thing, right? So now we're at 9 o'clock. So here's 30. I want to pause it real quick because Tuesday we had at 8:30 we had news. Oh, that was the 6-page move. Okay. So let's look here. Okay, 9:30. Look, 9:30. What? We're consolidating. We don't do anything. YM clears previous day high, right? So now we have SMT. 30 prints lower. All right, sorry about that. I want to see what 45. here's 10 o'clock. So ES takes previous day high. All right, here I see. Okay, so let's see where 10 o'clock produces something here. This will be probably the reversal. That's the CST there, but I feel like that's too big of a stop. I would want to see what happens at 15. Oh. That would have been a fine entry there. Back at EQ and the OB there. Let's see, where's 30? Here's 30. I'd buy that. Notice how we rebalance just shy of previous AQ, right? Just shy of that. And oh, you guys can't see this, but this yellow light is EQ of the weekly order block. Okay, so 30 is opening high. You can also wait for the CSD there. That should do it. Rejection of 10 a.m. Maybe another rebalance, as you can see here. Yeah. Rebalancing this range, and then it'll go to dry bet. Yep, rebalancing this range right here. Back to EQ, boom. This is the range, right? High before manipulation, and then this is manipulation, so this low. EQ manipulates that EQ when at 45, boom, right? So this is just nice. There's one off there, boom. Anyway, so that was Tuesday. That was nice. Yeah. Also another great day. So anyways, that was Tuesday.